Sent the wrong message on LinkedIn? Here's how to edit or delete it in just a few clicks. It's a quick fix that can save you from awkward follow-ups. Let's get started. Step 1. First, log in to your LinkedIn account. Step 2. Click the messages icon at the top right to view your inbox. Step 3. Tap the conversation where the message you want to edit or delete is located. Step 4. Hover over or tap the message, then click the 3 dots next to it. Step 5. From the options, choose either Edit to fix the message or Delete to remove it completely. Bonus tip: remember, LinkedIn shows an edited tag on changed messages and doesn't notify users when you delete a message, so clean up confidently. And that's how you edit or delete LinkedIn messages. Mastering small tools like this helps you stay professional and polished. If this helped, hit like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more quick tech guides. See you next time!